Hello and welcome to our latest transfer news. Zakhele Lipasa has joined Siwelele FC on a free transfer after his departure from Orlando Pirates. Lipasa, who's 28 years old, left the Buccaneers at the beginning of the season, becoming a free agent, and had been linked with Durban City. However, Siwelele FC are the one who won the race for the striker. Lipasa will don jersey number 40 at Siwelele. Zakhele Lipasa, during his time at Orlando Pirates, he spent 3 seasons away from Orlando Pirates on loans. His loan spells were at Stellenbosch, TS Galaxy, and SuperSport United. And during his time at Orlando Pirates, he was unable to establish himself as the number 1 striker for the team, even though in some seasons he would do very well. However, he never got a chance to be the number 1 striker for Orlando Pirates. And he scored 15 goals and 2 assists in 64 games for the Buccaneers, winning 5 domestic cups. He did not feature for the entire 2024-2025 season after a long-term injury, and he will now be looking to get his career back on track with ambitions to return to the senior national team Bafana Bafana. So let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of Zakhele Lipasa choosing Siwelele FC as the club to revive his career? Do you think that that's a good move for him to move to Siwelele FC? Let me hear your thoughts down in the comment section. Mamelodi Sundowns head coach Miguel Cardoso has confirmed that the club has signed Portuguese midfielder Miguel Reisinho. Reisinho will join his compatriot Nuno Santos, who made his debut in a 1-0 loss to Golden Arrows, as they are 2 marquee signing as the window has just closed, with the 26-year-old Reisinho being able to be registered outside the window period as he comes as a free agent. So here's what Miguel Cardoso says. I think in the next 1 or 2 days he will be unveiled. We tried to reinforce the team. It was clear we needed to reinforce the team in front. And it was hard work, tough until the last moment of the window. These kind of players with such quality, it's not easy to sign. There's not much history of players coming from Europe from such levels entering South Africa, even the African market. So the business was difficult. That's what Miguel Cardoso said regarding the signing of Reisinho. So yeah, let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of this signing of Miguel Reisinho? That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.